Hello there! In this video, I'll be walking you through Pixcap. We will create a scene together using Pixcap's Mix and Match editor and our AI Stylist tool to add a realistic look to your design. Let's dive in! To start designing, click on Library, click on New Project, and get started. The scene that we'll be creating today is for e-commerce. Let me walk you through everything you can do on our website before we start editing. Here, you have a search bar where you can find different design elements and packs divided into different categories. Also in the same section, you could have an Edit tab and an Environment tab where you can customize your design elements. You can change colors, materials, and patterns and also adjust the light. On the top, you can find the Undo, Redo, and Delete buttons. In the right side, you can find the AI Stylist window and also some pre-made prompts or suggestions which can help you give a more realistic look to your design. On the top, you can find the download buttons. Now, let's get started! First, I started out by searching for these keywords: podium, mobile phone, dress, firework, and balloons. You can easily type the keywords you're looking for in the search bar or filter them based on different categories. We have more than 10,000 assets you can use for any design that you're working on. After finding the 3D asset and design elements you're looking for, easily drag and drop them into our Mix and Match editor. In the Viewport, you will see two camera modes: 2D for a canvas-like interaction and 3D for a more immersive experience. You can easily scale, move, and copy objects. To scale an object, first click on it and a bounding box will appear. Hover your mouse at the points of the bounding box until it changes into the scale icon, then drag the mouse to scale up or down. To move an object, click on the one you want to move, hold the left mouse button, and drag the mouse in the desired direction. You can copy and paste objects using familiar shortcuts like Ctrl-Command-C and Ctrl or Command-V. You can seamlessly switch between 2D and 3D views during the process. Now, once you finalize the position and orientation of the chosen elements, it's time to customize. You can change the color of any section of each asset by double-clicking on it. The panel will list all the components that make up that item, along with each color and material attached to them. Click on the circle icon, select the word color in the window that appears, and you'll see a very familiar color selection interface. You can also choose a previously saved color and apply it to the object. Repeat these steps for all the components to achieve your desired color combination. At Pixcap, customization doesn't stop at color. You can even customize materials and patterns in a breeze. Click on the object you want to change and the left panel will appear. Click on the material sphere next to the name of the section to reopen the material and color panel. After editing the material, you can continue editing the color of the material that you have selected for that object. And now, it's your playtime! Experiment with your designs. To adjust your environment settings, click on Environment at the top left panel. Here, you can change light intensity and shadow softness, and you can even turn them off. You can input numbers or drag the sliders to fine-tune these settings. Congratulations! You've completed your scene. It's time to export your design. You have two download options: Default Render or Cloud Render. Cloud Render takes your design quality to new heights, so wait for that extra minute and see your design come to life. If you want to make your design look more realistic and generate more variations of your design, you can explore our AI Stylist feature. In the AI panel on the right, you can use preset AI prompts or type your own prompt. AI works best when you give it a clear and detailed description. So go ahead and share all the details. And you're done! Thanks for coming along and stay tuned for our upcoming features. Pixcap, designing across dimensions.